It's 7 a.m. in Glendale, Arizona. Cloudy skies, 73 degrees. Let's take off. Here we go. The first stop is McDonald's, where I order some coffee on the app, and then I stretch my back on the railing. Feels good. And they bring the coffee out to me. Well, I'm doing a flyby through Sundance Park, organizing my thoughts, such that they are, and I think I'm going to go west. This is Peoria, Arizona, a suburb of Phoenix. It's October, and if you're thinking of visiting, this is the time to do it. Be absolutely gorgeous all the way through April. Then it gets hot again. People ask me about the trike, and I love to talk about it. Some people think I'm a mechanical wizard, but I'm not. It came in a box, fully assembled. It comes directly from the factory, so if you can open a box, you can do it yourself. Cloudy skies are unusual around here, but it just makes a beautiful morning like this even more pleasant. Yes, it'll be over 100 degrees this afternoon, so don't go out in that if you don't have to. It's mid-70s right now. I just love it here. I moved to Phoenix when I was 19, which was quite a while ago, and I want to be here for the rest of my life. Well, I know I'm going to live a very long time, but at some point it will be all over. So I asked myself, where would I want to be? And what would I want to be doing? And it's here, in this. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.